Today headlines. Violent protests over George Floyd death spread beyond Minneapolis. Central Vista new buildings on KG Marg Africa Avenue proposed for relocating government office. Government officials deny Trump claim of talk with Modi on LAC situation. Active locust swarms in 11 districts sent to deploy choppers to spray pesticides. UP government signs pact with key industry bodies to employ 11 lakh migrant workers. Today News. Anger over the death of George Floyd, a handcuffed black man in police custody, spread beyond Minneapolis on Thursday, with looting and fires set along a major St. Paul street and protesters returning to a neighborhood already ravaged by violent protest. It was the third consecutive night of violent protests following Floyd's death on Monday. In footage recorded by a bystander, Floyd can be seen pleading that he can't breathe as Officer Derek Chauvin, who is white, kneels on his neck. As minutes pass, Floyd slowly stops talking and moving. The union government is planning to relocate offices of various ministries to new buildings proposed by the Central Public Works Department, CPWD, on Kasturba Gandhi Marg and Africa Avenue, while the existing buildings along the Central Vista are set to be demolished as a part of the redevelopment project. The CPWD's proposals to construct steel structures at Curzon Road Barracks Complex, near Asia House, on KG Marg and near Sarojini Nagar Depot on Africa Avenue were considered by the Delhi Urban Art Commission, DUAC, during an online meeting held on the 15th of May, the minutes of the meeting state. While they do not say what the steel structures would be used for, sources privy to the approval process said the CPWD plan to relocate government offices from the existing buildings, like Shastri Bhavan, Krishi Bhavan etc. The government on Friday forcefully rejected US President Donald Trump's claim that he had spoken to Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the situation on the line of actual control with China, or that the two leaders spoke at all. Government officials told The Hindu they were taken by surprise by the US president's comments, particularly his reference to PM Modi's mood when Mr. Trump claimed to have spoken to him. The sources also dismissed Mr. Trump's repeated offer of mediation, saying that India and China were in touch directly. Active swarms of locusts were present in 11 districts spread across Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, prompting the government to step up control operations by deploying helicopters for aerial spraying of pesticides. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, who reviewed the locust control operations, said the last swarm of the pest entered from Pakistan into India at Sri Ganganagar district of Rajasthan on Tuesday, and there was no information of fresh incursions after that. The Yogi Adityanath government has signed an agreement with key industry bodies to provide employment to 11 lakh migrant workers who have returned to Uttar Pradesh from other states since the lockdown has come into effect. The signing of the MOUs took place at the Chief Minister's residence in Lucknow on Friday, and CM Yogi Adityanath participated in the event. Speaking to India Today, State Cabinet Minister and in charge of the MSME department Siddharth Nath Singh said, National Real Estate Development Council, NREDC, will accommodate 2.5 lakh migrant workers. Indian Industries Association, IIA.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment. Subscribe to Inverse Dark and activate bell icon.